friends, today we are going to discuss about poetry, its definition, its importance and its origin. So, poetry is the crown of literature. Poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings which takes its origin from emotions. Poetry is the general of the sea, animal living on the land wanting to fly in the air. Tree is a word from Greek origin. It has came from a word which means to make or to create. A poem is something made or created. The poet is the creator and the language is the material. Poetry is nothing but the rhythmical creation of beauty with the help of words. It is an art in which there is only use of words, as the painters and artists used to make their arts with colors in a canvas. Like that, in poetry, the poets used to make art with the help of words of poetry. This great gift, that is poetry, is originated from unknown, means the origins of poetry are unknown. Poetry is a very ancient art which was born as an oral form by simple music and dance. Importance of poetry. Poetry is one of mankind's oldest art forms which defines much about culture. The art make up a culture's identity as much as its historical events and political policies. According to Aristotle, poetry has been a part of every major art movement, and some say it captures emotion better than any other form. And reading of poetry is very necessary to gain a full understanding of the world, and it has many additional benefits. So, poetry is not only beneficial but also it is very important to read it nicely with proper understanding. The benefits of reading poetry are: it improves verbal skills and memory. The immediate benefits of reading poetry are improvements to vocabulary. Poetry acquaints the reader with unfamiliar terms and encourages verbal analysis. The common practice of memorizing poems also improves long-term brain health also. The second point is, it also improves critical thinking. Poetry improves critical thinking by forcing the reader to think. Poetry helps us to analyze properly by reading it with full understanding. It also helps us to give our own viewpoints in references to that and improves our critical thinking. The critical thinking skills developed through reading poetry give greater control over language itself. The third point is, it also develops empathy and insight. The most remarkable power of literature is its ability to unite reader and writer across time and cultural boundaries. And poetry offers these benefits in an impractical way. Poetry triggers memories and emotions in the readers. The connection between universal emotions and personal experience encourages development and empathy. And the fourth point is, it encourages engagement with other art forms also. Poetry is an excellent introduction to arts. Poems typically don't require a lot of time to read, nor they are very difficult to find. Once someone feels comfortable with poetry, they are likely to engage with other arts. The appreciation of any art requires the same critical thinking and emotional skills. Poetry is often filled with general artistic movement. Poetry offers great treasures for personal growth. Poetry is a type of literature or artistic writing that attempts to stir a reader's imaginations or emotions. The poet does this by carefully choosing and arranging language for its meaning and sound as well as rhythm. Since poems such as nursery rhymes are simple, others may try to express some truth about life, to tell a story, or to honor a person or a god. There are a melodious tune to find in the poetry. So we can say that poetry is a great gift of literature. So thank you friends for watching this video.